How to send bulk messages on WhatsApp. Someday you might want to send the bulk messages on WhatsApp, but you don't want to save the number. So, how do you send many messages at once without saving their number? For that, you should send the bulk messages. So, in this video, I will teach you how to do that. To do that, you can simply go on your Google Chrome. After going on the Google Chrome, tap on the search bar icon. After tapping on the search bar icon, just search for rocketsend.io. After you search for it, you will see a website. So tapping on this application, what you should just do is install this application on your phone. This does work in both computer and phone. And when you install it, and after seeing an interface like this, just sign in and open your WhatsApp on it. And what you can do is enter the phone numbers on the top section where it is written phone number separate with comma. You can just type many numbers by just separating it with commas and write the message which you want to say together. Write one message and type all the phone numbers on the upper section and just click on the send button. And this is how the bulk messages will be sent. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.